So guys, this is all about the spiked mango. This is the info. This is the tier, which is mythical. Currency, yes. Obtainable, yes. I think it's impossible. They added July 9, 2025. Seed price is 74. 75. Seed price is 75. What is that? 75 Chihi and 759 Robux. By the way, later I'm gonna buy it with Robux. Wait. By the way, guys, I'm gonna buy it later with Robux. Anyways, I think you didn't hear that, but I'm gonna buy it with my Robux. Anyways, the minimum value 6,919. Unuseful, but I still like it. Base value. 67,500 shekels. Way better than 6,999. 19. Base weight 15 kg. Oh, that's big. Huge chance. 0.25%. Good! They're holding the spiked mango. I love it when it's bloodlet burned and the gold. And Windstruck does nothing to it. And Tranquil does nothing to it, bruh.
Mabibili mo na yan. Ano yung spiked mango? Ano yung tura niya?
Yeah. Ito yung spiked mango.
Pag pinakita mo sa akin isa? Oh. Mukha sa pinya. Mukha siyang pineapple.
Pineapple! Ito yung pineapple. My mom. By the way, his name is Carla. Actually thinks it's a pineapple. Like the name is literally right above it.
Oh. It's spiked mango, so it's really mythical.
Mythical ang chance. Why don't they add the chance of its getting spawned in? I like it when it's Aurora, bruh. Like it when it's Aurora. Yo, Bloodlet looks cool. Oh. Wait, this is what the tree looks like? Anyways, guys, this is the spiked mango, the tree of the spiked mango, and the seed. And a player holding it. And what? That's dude, I don't have Roblox on this one, but I do have Roblox on my phone. And some players just flexing their own. And some players just flexing their own. Are you serious? It restarted without happening. Where's the fruits that are Tranquil? There we go. After that, Aurora. And I'm not gonna grow the tree. I'm gonna grow my chill. If in case the Spike the Mango gets in stock. If it gets in stock after I spend that Robux, I just wasted 759 Robux.
Nagbibideo ka ba?
Anyways, where's my bread? Okay,
Asan si Mama? Wala pa?
I'm gonna actually pick up everything.
Ha? Nabe?
No, nothing.
Wala pa si Mamay.
Yes. There we go.
Clark, basahin mo yung bibig mo. Ay,
Where's the highlight? Dang
Basahin mo
it,
yung
now I
labi mo,
have to
Clark.
guess type. Okay. I'm not gonna give this tranquil plant to this guy, but I am gonna give this. Yeah! Seven cheers! Don't know what I have to say for L,
baby.
but let me see the size of this. Oh, 26! 26! By the way, guys, I'm playing on my phone. Just...
Clark, basahin mo yung labi mo. Basahin mo yung labi mo, baby. Yan.
I don't know why this video, but just enjoy
Asan si
the
Mamay?
game.
Wala pa. Clark, check mo nga muna sa labas kung nandiyan na si Mamay. Clarky, check mo sa labas kung nandiyan na si Mamay.
Can you see my haul? This is the best time doing this, by the way.
Tay. Hindi na rin sa ilalim.
So to get as much, to get as much tranquility as you can, just get every beans. Just use the harvest tool to harvest every beanstalk or fruit in your garden.
That's like,
Wow! I got 33. That's still not enough.
nagmumalik lang ba?
Let me
Sabihin mo.
check the second one. Let me check the second.
Clark, nasaan na si Mamay?
By the way, guys, I have I never seen a
Lucky, nasaan na
frozen
si Mamay? Wala
beanstalk
pa.
like this.
Bebe,
Dang it.
Clark,
No beans.
Hoy. Bebe,
Let
Clark.
me see if I still
Kakausapin ko
have
si
some.
Mamay, nasaan na?
I have nothing! Nice, I have nothing. Nice, I have
Clarky, nasaan na si Mamay?
nothing.
Wala pa. Ha? Clark,
Nice, I have nothing now. Wait,
Ano?
wait.
tingnan mo baka nandiyan na si Mamay. Sige ka, hindi ko makakausap si Mamay.